Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I have yet another simple yet delicious Goan baby prawns recipe. I have the Ganmore recipe on my channel of the Ganmore cutlets. But these prawns are little bigger than the tiny Ganmore. These days you find them a lot in the market. These are called the Manchechi Sunta, the small tiny ones. You need to thoroughly wash them first, 2-3 times wash them. And friends, until I wash the prawns, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes that I upload every week. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And if you like the video, do press the like button and also share with your family and friends so that they too benefit from watching my videos. So here I have thoroughly washed the prawns. Now cleaning, it's time consuming. So take a nice chair, sit in your kitchen and do the peeling. So I'm just removing the head and a small part of the tail, and that's done. The other shell is quite soft and it gets well cooked like the galmo or the tiny baby prawns. I've cleaned them well. I'll just transfer into a bigger bowl and season this with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well and leave them aside for 10 minutes. Until then, I will cut my onion, tomatoes and chilies. Friends, do watch my galmo cutlet recipe as well. They also turn out very delicious. So in my vessel, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is well heated, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splatter. Once it is done, add a handful of curry leaves and let them splatter as well. Now into it add about 4 roughly chopped onions. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give a good stir. Now the salt here will help the onions to turn translucent very soon. Now I don't want the onions here to lose their body. So what I'm going to do is cover these onions and cook it on medium flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give another stir and cover and cook it on medium flame for another 1 or 2 minutes. And here my onions have turned completely translucent without losing their body. This is an important tip whenever you're making a chili fry as well. Now into this add 2 large roughly chopped tomatoes. Into it goes about 3-4 spicy chilies. Give a good stir, cover and cook for 2 minutes. Covering will make the tomatoes cook faster, also turn soft very quickly. Tomatoes are nice and soft, but they've not turned mushy. This is exactly what I want into this recipe. Give 1 good stir. Now into this add your baby prawns and give a good mix so that everything gets well combined. Within a minute's time, the prawns will start changing their color. In this add a little of salt if required, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a few petals of kokum and a little of ginger garlic paste. A little splash of water. Give a good mix. This water is just so that everything comes to a combine. And give a thorough mix to all these. Combine them well. Turn your flame to low. Cover and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. The prawns have already started to release their water. At this stage, add freshly grated coconut. Do not skip the coconut into this recipe because coconut is an important ingredient into this delicious kismur. I'll add a little more of the freshly grated coconut. Give a very good mix. Add in handful of roughly chopped coriander. Give again a good mix. Cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. There's no need to add additional water as you cover and cook. The prawns will keep on releasing their water and the moisture of all the ingredients will get the prawns well cooked. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you can see my kismur is almost ready. I will let it cook and open for another 1 minute or so. And here my delicious prawns kismur is ready to be relished. Friends, the aroma that is wafting from preparing this delicious kismur is really so tempting that I can't wait to try. And I must say, every time I cook this kismur this way, it turns really delicious and it's well enjoyed. And since these prawns are in season these days, do try this recipe at home and enjoy during this time of the year. And friends, don't forget to watch my galmo cutlet recipe, of which the link I'm giving in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another interesting and delicious recipe. Bye for now. Have a blessed time.